What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna do something new. So we're gonna compare two cameras. One, it's my new phone right here, and the other one is that camera right there that is recording right now. So this phone is the new Xiaomi Mi10T Pro, and this camera that is recording right now is the Panasonic GH5s. You can find all the links below of what I'm using right now. So this new phone is capable of shooting videos in 8K, and this camera right here is only capable of 4K. In this video I want to show you if we can find the differences between the 4K shooted from this camera and the 8K shooted from this one, just a normal phone. So the other day I shooted some clips outside. The weather was not so good. It was a little bit hazed and cloudy, so you're not gonna see too much different in the sky because the sky was like fully white. So it's the same one on both of the cameras. So on the clips that I made, I just put a letter. One is A, one is B for each camera. If you can guess which camera is which, just write down in the comment and let me know before I just tell you the names of these cameras. But anyway, just watch the clips, and after that we're gonna watch all the differences together and we can throw some conclusion. If you guessed which camera was which, just comment below. And yes, if you guessed the camera A was the phone, you guessed right, and the B was the Panasonic GH5s. Also, I will put all the settings on the footage so you can see how I shoot my clips. It wasn't too hard because in this kind of light condition the phone was struggling a bit. I did some recording with stabilization on the phone and 1080p, so all the footage was not in 8K, so you could see of course the difference between the clips. But in some clips the 8K from the phone or just the 4K from the phone was good enough to be compared against this camera. You don't have to forget that this camera is a professional one, so the phone did pretty good actually. Indeed, there is still some differences between this camera and a phone camera actually, but you have some pros using a phone because you have always this one in your pocket. So if you have to point and shoot something, you just take this out of your pocket and you just start shooting. If you have to use that one, you have to adjust manually your setting for every light condition and probably several times in a day. It's not too much user friendly. But we can say the main differences between these two cameras are of course the dynamic range of the two and the color science and sharpening, because if you look close on this shot from the phone, you can see that the manufacturers just add a little bit too much of sharpening on their images. I don't know why, but the results are not too good, and this camera is shooting like a more softer images. It's kind of good for your eyes, it's just better. For the other differences, of course, you cannot compare this kind of sensor. This is a small one. I mean, this is a 108 megapixel sensor. It's pretty good because it's pretty big, but this one is like I think a quarter of that one. So you cannot compare these two sensors. And anyway, that camera there, it was just created for recording videos, so you have all your settings to dial up, and the camera on your phone, it's not meant to be like a professional one, so you have to keep in mind that. One more plus with your phone is that you have inside on your phone, you have some kind of stabilization. You probably, if you have like a medium range phone or a lower one, you have a digital stabilization. But if you have one like this has the optical stabilization like the iPhone or a high-end range phone. It's pretty good because if you are just shooting run and gun style, it's pretty good because your clips are not gonna look too bad. Instead, if you are shooting with that camera, you have to go for a Steadicam or a gimbal or something like that, because otherwise your clip are gonna look very, very bad and too shaky. So this was a fast video, and in conclusion, the phone cameras are just way too behind professional cameras if you think on image quality. But if you just need to shoot something really fast, maybe if you are traveling, if you are around without your camera, if you want to shoot something with your family or I don't know, whatever, you have your phone. I mean, you have always this in your pocket, so that's a very big plus. Anyway, I think this could be the end of the video. If you want to know something more, just write in the comment. I will answer your question. That's it. Hit a subscribe and a like if you like this video. Let me know if you want to see more of this content. Maybe I can do some more. And nothing. Just see you in the next video.